Hello there. Today is another very easy card. Alrighty. So all you need is a marker and 3 birds and a little word. And we're just going to take this ruler and I'm just going to draw a line about there. That should work. Want to make sure I drew. Yes, okay, good. Woohoo! All right, so we just need that. We're gonna put the birds on here, looking at each other, and this one going upside down. Isn't that funny? All righty, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And do I want to put, I could put it through the folder first. Let's put it through the folder. Why not? Just to be a little bit different, but I think I want to put the words on first. So let me cut this out. And then glue this down. Thank you for being you. What a perfect thing to say. All right, so let's go ahead and put this through the machine. And there. My favorite polka dot folder. Gotta love it. Alrighty, so now you can see what it looks like, just the line, and then the words that I put on there. Alrighty, and then we're gonna glue these 2 birds on looking at each other, and this bird hanging upside down. That's so funny. And I think I might go ahead and 3D this. Why not? Let's do that. Alrighty, but only at the top. Then it'll go on like that. That's even better. Okay. Alrighty. So let's get some glue down on the bottom. Take up that release paper, and we'll put this one up here. And we'll hold that down for a moment. Stay down. Nope, down. All right. There, then we can do this one. And we want a little bit of glue on the bottom of this one. And we want this one here, looking right at the other one. There. And then the same thing with this. Glue down on the bottom. And this fella hanging upside down. That is so funny. And I saw this idea online. I don't remember where I saw it, but I took a screenshot of wherever I saw it, and they had painted the birds on, and I thought, oh, I could do my little chirpy birds instead. And they had another verse, which I know I have that verse about don't let life ruffle your feathers. And but I couldn't find it. I don't know where I put it. So, but I didn't look where it's supposed to be, so I just kind of looked on my desk because I thought I had it out the other day, but I didn't, so that's okay. But this works good. Thank you for being you. All right, so then we're just gonna draw 2 little legs down and 3 little toes to hang onto the wire, and then the same with this. That is so funny. Oh, Debbie, you're gonna love this one. There. Is that a silly card or what? How easy peasy is that? That is just too cute. All right, so I hope you like this idea and you'll give it a try. And until we meet again, happy crafting. Bye-bye.